Rise the colors of green and gold. Our time has come. Hello, lovely people of the internet. I'm the Breathing Canvas, and today belongs to the Irish. All right, let's get started. What I'm doing with this look is I'm taking all of the different Celtic symbols and I'm incorporating them to look like a warrior helmet on my face with green and gold. Life hack: if you're not feeling super confident about what you're doing, just add sound effects. And then we'll do some little leaves. We're gonna color it in. That's one thing that's fun about doing this makeup. It's like doing a coloring book on your face. It's okay, you can walk through. It's okay. Something I love about Celtic or Irish, the symbols, they all like interlace and weave with each other. It just kind of gives the idea of like this connectiveness and this flow. And also when things are connected, like the bonds are stronger. It looks cool, okay? Art looks cool. We're doing it because it's cool. Realizing my design might have been a little bit ambitious. It's easy to do something on a computer where you can get as small and sharp of an image as you want. On my face? No. I love how simple clovers are to draw, because altogether it looks so complex, but basically it's just 3 hearts. 3 hearts on a stick. All right, we have our beautiful shimmer base. Now we're going to make it pop with some highlights. My eyes are dry from staring. Saline, come to me. So I'm kind of following my cheek and then kind of into the jaw. Fun of being an artist in the moment. You get to see all my creative juices flowing, which is more like, what do I do now? What do I do? And if we make a mistake, we go with it, or we have to start all over again. And then with a different color, I'll do more swirlies in the background. So, highlights and shadows. Chocolate. Yeah, chocolate makes me sneeze. I'll try to have a sneak piece late at night, and then just in the kitchen here, achoo! Make sure no one else is around that you've once asked to hold you accountable for late night snacking. I'll admit, this is very different than what I was anticipating doing. As much as you plan out, you won't really know until you do it on your face, and I forgot a step. Okay. All right, what am I gonna do on this side now? Because it's like I already did this, I wanna do something different. Ugh. Oh, I have to think again. Eyelashes make everything better. I'm gonna use the gold liquid because I could use powder, but then it's gonna look cakey and that just, we don't want those lips. Okay, and that's it. And my Irish Warrior fangirl makeup is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking on that thumbs up button down below. I'll be posting on some other Friday next month. So be on the lookout for that. You can follow me on Instagram to see pictures and other things that I might come up with here and there. Now I'm committed and I've created accountability through the internet with however many views this is gonna get. So that's commitment that I just made. Yay! Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Bye!